Foundation for
Minister wa Public Service Wilson Murure Mukasa yagambira abakozi ba government okutandika kubikiranya ensi yabo baheza kuhumura obuyaba neguraho umushomo gwa bakuru b'abakozi mu ruburengero rw'izoba oguye no guhindira ha Las Vegas Hotel.
We shall not rely on the treasury. Finally, this scheme, which is contributory, will not rely on the treasury for it to go or to operate. We are going to have an independent fund. We are going to have an independent scheme managed by competent people. And you'll be the people, the beneficiaries will always be there to check, to see that nothing is going wrong.
Okurugera hari minister abakozi bingi ba government abahumwire nibabanja sente zabo za pension abandi bakabiba nabandi baguze byabo kukuratereza sentezi inshonga habo nkishengero rya Uganda rya resirete keriya Public Service Pension Fund eri 2024 eri bahereze kuhinguza habyo byo kweza 2025 byo kwezi kwa kabiri omwaka ogu nekigenerwa cyo kwenda ngo abakozi ba government bagera ka sente kubagumana batunga bayiza kuhumura.
Go must be extortion. Go must be fraud. Go must be taking to know who. Do you know somebody? Can you pass through this to see the commissioner? Please, this other commissioner, they went to school together, so you go to look for him. Go to see the other commissioner.
Yashobora kuba umukozi wa government wena naija kuba nasharwa 5% aha mushahara gwe rero government eri kumuteraho 10%.
They say no, for the 2 years we are starting, so government will foot the what? The 15%. Then when we are set, it starts working after that. And then of course, it means it's an indirect increment of 5%. So that's when we shall say now, okay, 5%, now you pay.
Meya w'Orurembo Rwambara Robert Mugabe Kachebezi yasima minister w'entebekane seji kandi yashaba minister kutekateka hakutandikira abanyabutegetsi kibina nkeki aha ko babinji kuba rukurugombye obutegetsi no basigara barukweyaguza urugusyo
bareke kureba munonga aha bakozi ba government nitwe politicians turi umuntu tukora n'abakozi ba government konkitwe batura batutira mu rubasho nitwe batandike kututekatekaho nko karho parliamentary scheme hati member wa parliament yasavinga ebisanja bibiri bamuhereza pension akumanatunga ka pension kongano bazakushanga ro kurida yakora emyaka 20 yahendera agenzere namwe rwabyo natatungana shingi bitano
okurugera har report yashozibwe ministry kujunanaza bwanshonga z'abakozi abo mu mwaka wa 2025 Uganda nebanze bwa trillion ziri kurengo muri 2025 ezishemerire kubazashashwirwa abakozi ba government abahumwire kandi iz government etine aha bwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.